In this video, we will learn how to use eDate function in Excel sheet. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some dates and I want here the same dates in next month. So here you can get the next month date, same date by using the eDate function. So let's start how it's done. Is equal to eDate. Okay, then select the date, then comma. Use the month which you want. So I want the next month, so I use here the 1. If I want the next to next month, yeah, or after 6 months, then I use here the 6. So I use here only 1. We want the 1 month. So here you see the 4th January 2020 and here we get 4 Feb 2020. If I want the 6 month after, then I enter here the 6th 4 July 2020. Okay. So if you want the previous month of this date, so this is a January, so if you want the December date, December month, so here you can enter the -1. So for previous month you enter the minus, and for next month you enter the plus amount. So I enter the -1. Here you can see the 4 December 2019. Okay. Your year also change as per the month and date. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.